The manufacturing industry in India has emerged as a fast-growing sector owing to the rapidly increasing population in the country. Investments in the sector have been on the rise, and initiatives like Make in India are aiming to turn the South Asian country into a global manufacturing hub. Starting a manufacturing business is not a difficult task if you have the right business plan, clear view of what you want to achieve, and well-researched business idea. Today, we are sharing top 40 manufacturing business ideas to start your own business in India. Number 1. Bentonite clay granules manufacturing business. Number 2. Start a microcrystalline cellulose manufacturing business. Number 3. Calcium silicate insulation board making business. Number 4. Start a humic acid making business. Number 5. Essential oil extraction of jasmine and tuberose. Number 6. Start a liquid urea formaldehyde resin manufacturing for wood application. Number 7. Micronutrients fertilizer manufacturing business. Number 8. Surgical cotton manufacturing business. Number 9. Start a manufacturing of hot melt adhesives for corrugation board. Number 10. Liquid biofertilizers manufacturing business. Number 11. Corrugated cartons and boxes making business. Number 12. Sweat-free antibacterial socks making business. Number 13. Start a fulvic acid manufacturing business. Number 14. Floral foam manufacturing business. Number 15. Start a disinfectant, pesticides, insecticides, mosquito repellents making business. Number 16. Fiberglass and float glass manufacturing business. Number 17. Start a stable bleaching powder manufacturing business. Number 18. Naphthalene ball manufacturing business. Number 19. Calcium gluconate manufacturing business. Number 20. Start a soft toys making business. Number 21. Non-woven fabric manufacturing business. Number 22. Implantable surgical suture manufacturing. Number 23. Start a glycerin making business. Number 24. Surgical gloves making business. Number 25. Start a disposable baby diapers manufacturing business. Number 26. Start a polyethylene tarpaulins manufacturing business. Number 27. Corrugated galvanized sheet manufacturing business. Number 28. Sewing thread reels making business. Number 29. Mattresses making business. Number 30. Fiber reinforced plastic manufacturing business. Number 31. Start a PVC doors making business. Number 32. Start a polyurethane sheets and pipes making business. Number 33. High temperature aluminum based paint making business. Number 34. Start a disposable plastic syringes making business. Number 35. Start a HDPE corrugated pipe making business. Number 36. Ready mix coating powder making business. Number 37. Biodegradable plastic products manufacturing business. Number 38. Start a expanded polyurethane foam making business. Number 39. Surgical cotton manufacturing business. And number 40. Start a mayonnaise making business. First, if you are looking to start best manufacturing business, then you must have to do study of market. You have to understand the needs of consumers, because if your product does not has demand, then you cannot get proper response to your business. Those who thinks that small business cannot make money and to start up need high capital, they are thinking so wrong. In fact, remember, everything starts with small. If you found this video helpful, then like, share, and subscribe our channel to get future videos.